Welcome to Ghost Python Academy. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about Python dictionaries in just 5 minutes. We'll go through 8 practical examples, explain the output, and show exactly how and why dictionaries are used in real code. Let's start with the basics. A dictionary in Python is a way to store data in key-value pairs. Imagine it like a real-world dictionary. You look up a word and get its meaning. In Python, the key is like the word, and the value is the meaning. It's one of the most useful and powerful data types in the language. First, we create a dictionary that stores details about a person, like their name, age, and city, which are Alice, 25, and New York. It prints the name Alice. When we print it, the output shows everything grouped together. Each key is linked to a value, separated by a colon, and wrapped in curly braces. It's clear, organized, and easy to read. Now, let's access something inside the dictionary. We'll ask Python to give us the value for a specific key, like name. The result? It prints just the name. That's how we extract individual pieces of data. Simple, fast, and direct. Let's say we want to add something new. For example, we add an email and update the age. If the key didn't exist before, it's added. If it did, the value gets updated. Here, we're assigning a new key called email with the value Alice at example.com. We're also updating the age from 25 to 26. Once we print the dictionary, we can see the new email is added, and the updated age is reflected. This shows how easily dictionaries can grow or change with just a single line. Next, we move on to deleting items. First, we use the del statement to remove the city key. That's one clean way to get rid of a key-value pair. When we print the dictionary, the city is no longer there. Then, we use the pop method to remove the same key, city again. Just like del, it deletes the key from the dictionary. Both methods work, and you can use whichever fits your logic best. Now let's loop through the dictionary. We use a for loop with items to go through each key and its value. This is helpful when you want to process or display each item. Currently, the dictionary has only name, age, and city. We print each key and its value on a separate line, like, name is Alice, age is 26, city is New York. This makes it really easy to view and format the data clearly. Now we add an email key with the value Alice at example.com. Right after that, we check if the dictionary has the email key. If it's there, we print email found. This kind of check is useful when you need to confirm that data exists before using it. But what if you try to access something that isn't in the dictionary? Normally, Python will crash with a key error. That's where the get method is really helpful. Instead of crashing, it lets you return a fallback message. So if the key doesn't exist, you get something like not found instead. It's a cleaner and safer way to handle missing data. To really understand the difference, we now try accessing the same missing key, but this time without using the get method. Instead, we use regular square brackets, just like we would if the key definitely existed. But in this case, the key doesn't exist, and as soon as the code runs, Python throws a key error. Let's end with something practical, a simple word counter using a dictionary. We start by creating a text string, apple, banana, apple, orange, banana, apple. This will be our input. Next, we split the sentence into a list of words using the split function. Now we have each word separated and ready to process. Then, we create an empty dictionary called count. This is where we'll keep track of how many times each word appears. We loop through each word in the list. Inside the loop, we use the word as a key in the dictionary. Then we update its count using the get method. If the word is already in the dictionary, we add 1 to its value. If it's not there yet, get returns 0, and we start from 1. Finally, we print the dictionary. The result shows how many times each word appeared. Like apple shows up 3 times, banana twice, and orange just once. This exact method is used in real-world programs, from word analysis tools to log file counters and even chatbots. And that's it. You've just learned how to create a dictionary, access and delete items, update values, loop through them, safely handle missing keys, and even use dictionaries in real-world scenarios like counting. I hope you now have a fair understanding of Python dictionaries. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Ghost Academy for more quick and practical coding tutorials. See you in the next one.